What is the sum of squares of first n natural numbers? That is, what is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square? Let's begin by visualizing what is the square of first natural number, that is 1 square, the square of second natural number, that is 2 square, the square of third natural number, that is 3 by 3, and the square of fourth natural number is 4 by 4. Now I want you to build one more copy of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square, something like this. Now I'll try to align the 1 square, 2 square and 3 square of the second copy, something like this. Then I want you to place the square of 3 over the square of 4, something like this. And then the square of 2 over the square of 3, something like this. And then square of 1 over square of 2, something like this. What you notice is that you have two towers of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Now I want you to bring one more copy of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, something like this. Now if you notice, you have two towers which is separated by 1 unit of square. So what I want you to do, I want you to place 1 square out of the third copy, something like this. What you notice that the first square has been kept and placed there. Then 1 from each of the 2 square, 3 square and 4 square need to be placed on that gap, something like this. Now I want you to fill the further gap of 3 by using the 3 copies of 3 from the 2 square, 3 square and 4 square, something like this. So you need to see that all the 3 gaps have been filled by the 3 copies of 3. Now what you notice that the green blocks is separated by 5 squares. So I need you to bring 2 copies of 5 from 3 square and 4 square, something like this, and place it there. And then finally what you see that on the top row you have 1 square separated by 7 squares. So what you can do, you can place your 7 from the 4 square somewhere here. So now you notice that 3 copies of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is building us this perfect rectangle. If you notice the dimension, on the vertical side you have 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. And on the horizontal side you have 4, then 1 and then 4. So what's the dimension of this rectangle which is being built by the 3 copies of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square? Let's see the vertical one. You have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is nothing but the sum of first 4 natural numbers, which is your fourth triangular number, that is 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2. So you can say the length of this rectangle is 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2. What about the horizontal side? You would notice that you have 4 plus 1 plus 4, so which means 2 copies of 4 plus 1. So you can say that the 3 copies of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is building you a rectangle of dimension 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 1. So what you need to understand that 3 copies of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is building us this rectangle, and you notice that the dimensions are very much related with 4. As you can see, the length is 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2 and the breadth is 2 into 4 plus 1. So you can say the one copy would be nothing but 1/3 of the dimension which we have mentioned. So you can say 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square equals to 4 into 4 plus 1 into 2 into 4 plus 1 by 6. Now inferencing the same thing for our 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to n square, what you notice that we would be able to build a rectangle whose length would be n into n plus 1 by 2 and breadth would be 2 into n plus 1, and then the one copy would be able to say that n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6.